In this video I will tell you about low-carb diet. What is that? What should you know if you are interested in low-carb diet? What are the benefits of low-carb diet? And what kind of foods should you eat if you choose low-carb diet? Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out. Hi, I am a functional doctor. If you are new here, I make weekly videos on various health topics. So low-carb diet is a diet that limits carbohydrates to less than 30 grams per day. But how does it work? As we know, when we eat carbohydrates, our body converts them into sugar, which is glucose. And then we use this glucose for energy. But when there is not enough carbohydrate in our blood, our body goes into a state called ketosis. In this state, our body starts burning fat for energy instead of glucose. This is how low-carb diet helps us to lose weight. There are many types of low-carb diets, but the most popular ones are Atkins diet and ketogenic diet. The Atkins diet was invented by Dr. Robert Atkins in 1972. It is a low-carb, high-protein, high-fat diet. According to Atkins, the daily intake of carbs should not exceed 20 grams per day. The ketogenic diet, also called keto diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet. According to ketogenic diet, the daily intake of carbs should not exceed 30 grams per day. Both Atkins and keto diets have the same goals, which are weight loss and improving health. What are the benefits of low-carb diet? A low-carb diet can help you lose weight, improve your blood sugar control, reduce insulin resistance, improve cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and even cure some diseases like epilepsy. Let's talk about what kind of food you should eat on a low-carb diet. On a low-carb diet, you should eat plenty of non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, asparagus, mushrooms, zucchini, etc. You should also eat fruits that are low in carbs like berries, avocado, lemon, lime, etc. From protein sources, you should include chicken, beef, pork, lamb, fish, seafood, eggs, cheese, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, etc. Healthy fats are also important in low-carb diet. They not only help you to feel full, but also they are the source of energy for your body. Good sources of healthy fats include olive oil, coconut oil, butter, ghee, nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, etc. Now let's talk about the foods that you should avoid on a low-carb diet. On a low-carb diet, you should avoid all grains like wheat, rice, oats, corn, etc. You should also avoid all starchy vegetables like potatoes, sweet potatoes, cassava, yams, etc. And of course, you should avoid sugary foods and drinks like cookies, cakes, ice cream, soda, etc. I hope now you know what low-carb diet is. If you are interested to try low-carb diet, then I suggest you to start with ketogenic diet. To know more about ketogenic diet, stay tuned for next videos. See you in the next video.